name is Maddie. This is...
My name is Eleanor.
Her name is Eleanor. What's your name? Maura. And we're gonna make cheesy cauliflower mash. First, we're gonna break the cauliflower down into smaller pieces, okay? So I'll cut it first, and then you guys can break it into smaller pieces. Deal? All right. For you, it's just like broccoli, so you can take the trees off. They're like white trees instead of green trees. You do this one. Pull. That's it. Yep, and put it right there. Right in the middle.
This is the right size.
Perfect. Can you put it in the middle? Does that sound good? All right. Does this look like a healthy thing to eat or not so much?
This looks like a healthy thing to eat.
I think so.
Here's a good one.
Yeah, put it in. Next, we're gonna blanch the cauliflower until it's tender. Do you know what tender means?
What?
Like not so hard, a little softer. Sound good? Okay, you stay here because I'm gonna go over to the hot stove. All right, I'm just gonna test it, make sure that it's easy to pierce with the fork, which it is. So that's perfect. We're gonna put everything in the blender. So first the cauliflower because it's hot. There we go. And then we can move this out of the way, and I need your help.
What?
Who's gonna dump the butter?
Me.
Okay.
What's the butter for?
What's the butter for? It makes everything taste good. Can you dump it in? Dump, dump, dump. Good. Okay. Next, we're gonna dump the yogurt. Do you want to dump the yogurt in?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Boom! Nice work. Next, we're gonna dump the cheese. Ready?
Wait.
Okay. All the way. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Give her a shake. Yep. Close enough. All right. And then, Maura, do you know how to do a pinch of salt?
Yeah.
Are your hands clean? Okay.
Can I do pinch of
Sure.
next?
Pinch. And then dump. You too. Let me see your little bird beak. Bird beak. Nope, nope. Thank you. And a pinch of this. Good. Thank you. All right. And that should be it. And now we're gonna crank it up. There we go. It just needed the old shakeroo. Does that look good? All right. Let's take a look. Is it done? What does it look like?
It's done.
Yeah. What do you think that looks like?
Done.
It's kind of like a vegetable smoothie. Next, should we put some on the plate?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you dig it out like this and put it on? That's it. Right? Who should try first? Me?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good.